Hey guys, today let's learn how to bypass AI content detectors. So if you guys are wondering what specific methods that we could do in order for us to bypass AI content detectors, if in the case that we are a student, we are working for a company, and they basically have this value of integrity on their content and their work ethic, that they need to go ahead and just use pure intelligence and nothing that has to do with artificial intelligence. Now, in order for us to basically bypass any AI content detector, what we can actually do is to go on over on different AI chat bots. So if you are currently using, let's say, ChatGPT, we do have a specific plugin that we could actually go on over and add to our ChatGPTs, but this does have a specific amount that we need to pay for. Basically, this is because we need to avail ChatGPT's Plus version to avail this. So what we need to go ahead and do if we want to go ahead and do that, is to search for ChatGPT plugins. Go on over on this option right here on their website, and that's going to show us all of the plugins available. But if we want to go ahead and access plugins through ChatGPT itself, we can actually go on over and search for this specific plugin that is already available on the ChatGPT website or OpenAI website, which is ChatGPT's Humanizer Pro. Now, Humanizer Pro is ChatGPT's tool, which basically humanizes your chat and bypasses most AI detectors. So as you would see, we could actually go on over and sign up to chat with Humanizer Pro, but as I said a while ago, this will need you to sign up for their Plus subscription. So we do have a free version, or a free method rather, of doing this, and this is to go on over and launch the ChatGPT website essentially. And what we need to go ahead and do from here is to basically just type in whatever prompt we'd like. So let's say we want to go ahead and ask ChatGPT to create a social media article post about volcanoes. So we can actually ask ChatGPT to do this, and if in the case that you want to go ahead and bypass any AI detector with this, what we need to go ahead and do first is to copy this text, and then I want you to use a third-party paraphraser, because if you use the paraphraser that is on ChatGPT itself, this might not bypass those AI content detectors. So going over on any other paraphraser you'd like, my recommendation is Quillbot, and paste your text on this paraphraser. So from here, just tap on paste text, paste, and then tap on paraphrase, and then you can now go ahead and have a paraphrased version of this text. Now, one more extra step that we could also do in order for us to really bypass those AI content detectors is to copy this once more and then go on over a different paraphraser that is online as well. So I'm going to go ahead and search for another paraphraser. One tool that is also useful is this paraphraser.io. Now from here, just tap on paste and paste your text, and then proceed with tapping on paraphrase to paraphrase this text once more. Just tap on I am not a robot, tap on paraphrase, and then we now have the paraphrased version of this text once more. Now we can actually now use this, and most likely this will bypass those AI detectors, since we did run this through two different paraphrasers. Now, one more method that we could also do is to, instead of using ChatGPT, we could also use other ChatGPT, which is basically similar to ChatGPT, but another AI software. So we could actually go on over and use, let's say, Hix.ai. Hix.ai, which is a much more powerful all-in-one AI writing copilot. So from here, directly, you could go ahead and ask this to create your content for you, and they also have different tools available on here to paraphrase it directly from here, to also bypass. They also have this specific tool to bypass any AI content detector. So you can actually try this out yourselves, guys, but this will have specific limitations, since you do need to pay for their services eventually if you reach their free usage limit. So essentially, that is all for this video. Thank you guys for watching. Please like and subscribe, and take care.